Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum has is still respecting the blue Fibonacci target zone here. It seems like a prison for Ethereum here between 2,538 and 2,679. I'm watching for signals of a breakout either way to indicate which direction it's going. At the moment, I can tell you that the yellow scenario, which is an Elliott wave triangle, is still very much valid. But we would need to see some kind of break of support to confirm that. And in this case, then if we really break down, then I would consider this to be wave C of Y of 4, which means it's not bearish. It might just send us down to around about 2,100 to 1,800. Yeah, probably rather the lower end to complete a larger degree wave 4 correction, from where then the price has another chance to rally. I think in yesterday's video I explained that in detail. Also looked at the bigger picture. And it's good not to lose sight of overall, the bigger picture when considering micro counts, because a lot of people overly, emphasize those micro counts. Whereas, whether we form another low or not, Ethereum could still rally to all-time highs even from there. But a break below 1800, which is the key support on the daily chart, you can see it here as well. That would not be good. But looking at the micro, obviously, yeah, we could have bottomed in wave 4, absolutely. And if Bitcoin has, likely Ethereum has as well. It's just that we don't have any confirmation for that. But there are clear invalidation points. I mean, for the white wave count, the formal invalidation point is the low of the wave 2, right? But there are key levels above as well. The one that I find really meaningful is here, that wave 2 low at 2,155. But even this internal B wave low is important at $2,315. And then we've got all those previous swing lows that could be observed as well. The closest one pretty much is 2,515. So once we start to see a break below those levels, and especially here the first one I just mentioned, it could indicate that we are starting the move down. But against them, we don't have any confirmation a top is in. Now this Elliott wave triangle pattern in yellow, A, B, C, D, E, which completes a yellow B wave, which could send the price down, is technically full. But just because the wave pattern is full, it doesn't mean we have to break down. I mean, there's the white count as well, which guided us higher together with the yellow count because we wanted to see the price get into that blue target area. And now we've arrived in that decision area, in this pivot. And we need to see how the market decides. I cannot see yet an impulsive move down. I know that a lot of people are hoping for kind of lower prices to buy a little bit more maybe, but it might not happen, and it's about understanding what is the invalidation point of the triangle. It's at the green line, the previous swing high, 2,734. Now, that doesn't mean just by breaking above it, we couldn't go down anymore. It just means that the triangle itself will be invalidated, the market will change, shift, the bulls will be in control, but they still have a lot of work to do. So for a first 5-wave pattern to the upside, which would confirm that on the 5th of August, we completed a larger degree 4th wave, we need to see 5 waves that reach 3,350 or higher. The problem is, and that's what I tried to explain in my latest update for members earlier today, is that the market doesn't need to give us 5 waves up. Okay, we're not in an impulse to the upside. We are looking at the bigger picture, and I covered that in one of the last Ethereum videos. We're in a larger degree diagonal pattern. So it could chop its way to all-time highs in very corrective fashion, and we might never get 5 wave movements. But this is where levels become more important than the wave count, okay? And the main support area on the daily that I shared with you here between 2,460 and 1,800, which can be used for looking for entries, yeah? Well, that certainly held or is holding so far. And let's see if this continues to hold. But as I said, there might be another, let's say, marginally lower low, a little bit lower in the support area. For now, the 2,734 level is the main level above to watch as we're heading into a new trading week. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.